ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. If you have any further questions at any time about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So this lovely approved used Volkswagen California Ocean diesel estate comes in a lovely metallic paint colour, bay leaf green. Across the front of the vehicle we have some chrome striping, giving the radiator grille a nice clean finish. Along with this, the vehicle features front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Across both of the front wings is some very iconic and stylish California badging. And down below, the vehicle sits on the very stylish 17-inch Aracaju silver alloy wheels, which come in a multi-spoke design. The vehicle also benefits from having an electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors, and of course the Oceans come with the electric pop-up roof, which we'll check out the interior shortly. Down towards the rear left hand side of the vehicle there is some more Ocean badging and a few outlets, one for water and one for electricity. So this vehicle is fitted with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and comes equipped with a DSG automatic gearbox. Towards the rear there is a tailgate, stored in which is the very iconic foldable chairs. And taking a look into the rear boot space or load area, there is some foldable mattress with some storage options beneath. On the left hand side there is an arrangement of shelves as well as a sliding door that further provides additional storage. On the outside of the tailgate there is some lovely California badging as well as a rear view camera feed. There is also a fixed ball tow head, and there are some rear parking sensors to work with the front ones, providing a coloured Park Pilot display. The vehicle also comes with a roll-out awning, and of course there is a power sliding door fitted on the driver's side of the vehicle. Behind the power sliding door reveals a comfortable and spacious interior. The rear seats are finished in the lovely circuit fabric seat trim covers, and there are some climate controls for the rear passengers. There are also some additional storage in the forms of overhead storage, and next to the cool box, the vehicle also possesses a twin hob cooker and a sink with a foldable tap. The bed above the rear passenger area comes with windows that also have some privacy built into them. And down below the seats can be folded for additional sleeping arrangements. This is incredibly useful for all those trips on the go. Even more storage is located under the rear passenger seats with two drawers. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel as well as a colour touchscreen infotainment system. The two front seats are also finished in that lovely circuit fabric and come with two armrests apiece. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will finish the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. However, stick around as later on in the video we'll explore that interior in the cab in much greater detail. If you like what you have seen so far, then please do not hesitate to give a member of the friendly sales team a call on 0121 514 0632. Like what you've seen so far, then feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. So, thank you for sticking around. Join me now in the cab, where the controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. Moving over to the very handsome 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this vehicle also comes with a digital cockpit, allowing the driver to have a more hands-on driver experience. This in combination with the digital cockpit allows for a more unique and customizable experience as well. The driver can select from a next or previous radio station or track selection, as well as increase and decrease the volume of said audio infotainment. The driver also has access to a variety of different driver convenience options, as well as assist settings. This vehicle comes with a vast arrangement of different assist settings, such as adaptive cruise control, a speed limiter, as well as a side assist and many more. The vehicle comes with a very stylish 8-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system, which includes navigation. Here we can see the navigation also includes the very tech-savvy and useful 3D Maps software. The touchscreen can be utilised and customised to each driver's desires. The vehicle does also come with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely and much more. Driver or passengers can also choose from the wide and varied list of different music genres, courtesy of access with FM and DAB radio stations. As well as this, drivers or passengers can also choose to connect with the Bluetooth audio function. Down beneath the touchscreen are some parking sensor toggle buttons along with a start-stop. Once reverse gear has been selected, that rear view camera will kick into effect and display the feed on the touchscreen itself. Down beneath this are some of the climate controls. The vehicle comes with a front heated windscreen, useful for those colder months, allowing for no long starts. The vehicle also features a 3-zone climate control system with a separate control panel in the rear, and the driver can sync up the climate controls in the front, allowing for a quickly and controllable climate within the cab. Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately that is the end of this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. If you have any further questions about this or any other of our vehicles, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632. Again, if you like what you've seen in this video, then feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.